Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the COCCINK Ink 67XL ink cartridges. This is a black and color combo kit. So we're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, install it, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
All right, so as we get the box open, you'll find all your standard stuff. You'll have your, somewhere in there, deeper, your packets here. There probably is some instructions somewhere, there we go, on how to handle this. There doesn't appear to be a recycling pack. Some of these things do come with recycling packs, but anyway, read your instruction manual. I'm going to walk you through it anyway, but you know, we're going to go ahead and just show you how this works. So once you get these out of the bag, please note that you'll have to take this clip off. And then it does not appear to be any kind of tape here. Do not remove this strip. This should plug right back into your into the back of your printer piece. Actually, there is tape. Sorry, there it is. Wasn't visible at first. So you will want to take that tape off, the one on the side, but not the one on the back of it. And we're just going to insert it like so. But we'll go ahead and show you the removal and get these ready. All right, so you'll want to just turn on your power on the printer, and then you're going to want to drop this down, and hopefully, sorry, looks like I'm not powered on. All right, so when you get the power on the printer, you're going to want to just drop this down right here until you get these visible. And you're going to just push these down a little bit to remove them. And then you're just going to replace by making sure that goes into the back. And then you're just going to lift up until it clips into place. And that probably will require two hands. And we'll just get the other one out. Then be sure to remove your tape here. Get it into position. And then should just clip up, and then it'll roll into spot, and just close this back up, and you should be good to go. You may need to print a an alignment page, but other than that, that's all there is. So definitely worth it. Hopefully this review helped, and thanks for watching.